Welcome to Stone Hands, to the hands of stone. How I scaled my business out from a shithole. I've been owning a company since 2016, and in the beginning it was all about organic marketing and growing the audience in an organic way, and it worked for many years. It worked really well. My primary business was doing sound healing concerts or sound journeys. So I organized events and invited people, or I was invited to perform, and I made in 5 years over 500 concerts until COVID happened. And when COVID happened, my business got stagnated and I started doing other stuff. Like for 2 years I was building a house for my family because we got a little child, and I felt like that's something I need to do. That was an urgent call that was coming from me. So there was COVID and 2 years of building a house, and I decided that I shall focus on the business once again. I have in our country, in our standards, a quite large following, around 10,000 people on different platforms who speak the same language. So we have only 1.3 million people in this country. And I found out that my old strategy was not working anymore, and I had to figure it out all over again. So in the beginning I was just trying to do organic marketing and bring people on board like I used to, but then I found out it did not work. So one of the first things was that I was sleeping in our newly built home in our bed, and it's 4 or 5 in the morning, and a child kicks me in the balls, and I'm just like, oh, I wake up, and I'm like, whoa, what's going on? And I had an idea, so I could not sleep anymore as I was woken. And I had an idea, oh, let's make a new website, stonehands.eu. Okay, great. I visualized how it looks like, and I went on my computer and made a website. So I was thinking, okay, it's a web shop. Yeah, okay, online store. So I need a product. So I made few lectures about raw food and healthy eating. Okay, great. I did some organic marketing in the Facebook groups, posted them and said, if you want this, then say yes and I will send you. Yeah, okay. In 1 month I made, just with a stupid idea, over 1,000 euros. Just that a child kicked me in the balls and I got this stupid idea. So then I found out, okay, it's not sustainable, this way of marketing, and I just did a post that I need a mentor. So all of my scaling happened on Facebook and on social media and by email, really easy, and it's organic. So I found a mentor, and we had a really nice synergy, and we made a deal. I said, okay, all the profit that I will make, 30% she will have. It's a fair deal, I must say. And we started building up Facebook groups, different lectures, different offers. It was all trial and error. Some of them worked really well, and we found out that the market, the niche that we are offering, the people do not have this problem at the moment because they are having financial problems because of our situation in the economics. So from there I began to develop a mentor group for using the voice, and from there I learned to use the voice. You must overcome all of your fears, and a most effective way of marketing that I found out to scale from 0 to 10k, I believe we are halfway towards the goal, was that we made a product and we made an offer that the market needed, that we found a leak in the market, and we found out that people needed to work with their voice, that many people are not interested anymore to come and enjoy the sound parts. Some of them still want, but the income was hectic. Of making a group which is subscription based, it's a solid revenue that is solid each month, and it's growing revenue, it grows. And only thing with a great product is that you need to market it, nothing else. So first part of scaling a business is all about doing market research and finding the right product that people are interested in. And when you find a product, then you got to scale it and you got to make it happen. And an advice, when you find a product that works, then just focus on the product in the beginning. When you get to 10k, 20k, and from there you can start developing other products. But finding a product is a process of trial and error. You got to test out different products, offer it to people, see how they react, or they do not react, and it helps us to grow. You see, my mindset was like, when a person says no, then oh, okay, that person does not want. But when a person says no, it means that that person wants it later, and I shall ask once again. So then I ran an experiment when we were launching the group. How could I get 100 members, founding members? So I decided that I will go through all of my contacts, so 10,000 people. And my friend gave this idea. He was promoting a workshop of a Mayan calendar, and he wrote to 1,200 people and direct invitation on his friend list on Facebook. And I decided I will scale it. I will send it to 10,000 people, and I began sending them. And I got many different responses, but what I learned, most people are kind and most people want to join, and most people have some obstacles why they cannot join now, but they will join eventually. Only one person was rude to me, but it's okay. I don't mind it because I know also how to be rude to people. But I found out that people are more generous and more helpful than I ever thought. And from there on, I scaled the business up. But I must say, to learn the most effective ways of scaling, you must overcome your fears. And from there, you can build on a product. Yes, I thought about Facebook marketing, and I used it also to grow my emailing list. I tried some marketing to make direct sales, but I found out that growing an email list and giving away my free stuff is more effective of finding loyal customers. And to all the people who say no to me on my offers, I have another offer for them. I will market their offering for free. Maybe they have a business or a cause they want to support. I market it for free. I write a post and I post it on my social media. So people begin to trust me, and they see that I'm not after the money, but I am after to help them. Because making a great offer, a person must understand that you are solving their problem and you want to help them. So this is the way how I came out from the shithole when I did not know how to build my business when the situation after COVID had changed. But still I'm doing sound paths, I'm sending emails, etc. Or actually my team is sending them. But the sound paths, they are not steady income, steady revenue. They are hectic because I must find a client who is willing to come and join the sound healing event or a place that invites me there. But when I have a group that makes me steady revenue, I am able to scale my other products as much as I want to. But my main focus is on the group because it's a strong working product. So if you find a product that works, then just scale it and build around it. Build a team around it. As I took a mentor, I took people to design the artwork, some copywriting, etc. So start building a team around you. I hope this video was helpful and see you next time. Bye.